You'll love this fruit salad recipe. And you might say, fruit salad, that's a bit ordinary, but this is a beautiful fresh fruit salad that has a fruit cream that is just folded through. It also has some shredded coconut as well. And so I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Again, it's quick and easy, and again, you can use whichever fruits are in season. And the fruits that I've chosen today are rock melon, and that's about a half a rock melon, but this is one of those recipes that you will just prepare according to the amount of food that you need for your family. We've also got some lovely grapes. I've chosen the seedless ones, so we'll put those in as well. Make sure you wash your fruit well before you serve the fruit. Some oranges that we've cut into small pieces. Some lovely strawberries. Nice to have the different colours. You can put some watermelon in there if you would like to. I don't have that today. Something green, and we've chosen kiwi fruit. And of course the wonderful good standby fruit is the bananas, and they are very nutritious. And so we're not putting them down. And some apples, and you can choose whatever variety you like. That adds a nice little crunch to the salad as well. And so we're just going to mix these together, and already you can see the colours and the textures. This really is lovely. A great way to finish a meal, particularly if your meal is a baked dinner perhaps, where you've had a little more fat than you know is going to be ideal. To finish with, don't choose a cheesecake, choose something fresh like this. It actually helps you to feel better afterwards, gives you a nice clean palate. Now you could certainly serve this just as it is because it's lovely, but what we're going to do is to put a fruit cream through there. And to make a fruit cream, we're going to use just a couple of tablespoons of yogurt, and I've used a vanilla yogurt, and you can use whatever flavour you like because I'm using mango for the fruit, but again, don't feel limited by that. You can use any fruit, so you can make a fruit cream from any fruit that you like. I'm just going to use the mango slices. Not supposed to tip them all over the place, never mind. Okay, and then with just a stick mixer, we're just going to make a cream out of the fruit and the yogurt, and you can do that with any fruit and any flavoured yogurt. Now, most people love cream, and you may or may not know that cream is around 36% fat. Now, that's high, and it's not the right sort of fat to benefit your body. And so here we have a cream that has a fruit base. The yogurt, I think, is 0.2% fat, and so can hardly be compared. And look at the texture. Just lovely. And we're going to put some of this through the fruit. And again, as we have said with our vegetable salads, only enough to coat the ingredients, not so that the fruit is swimming in this fruit cream. But lovely texture. So you can use that on desserts if you're a cream lover. Try a fruit cream, and you can create all sorts of flavors. Okay, and so we'll just stir that through carefully so we don't break up the fruit. There we are. And that can be served in bowls or in glasses with a little stem. You can decorate it with a piece of kiwi fruit or strawberry, whatever you like. We'll just put a little into this glass. There we are. Look at that. Something red on top. Doesn't that look delicious?